So hi everyone, my name is Vijay and I'm a working professional in corporate world from last 13 years now. And this is my first video, and idea was to just share my own thought process, which is on a very important and interesting topic on financial freedom. And so we will discuss it in next couple of slides that what exactly the word financial freedom is all about. And we will also discuss on is either you are a working professional or you are a businessman or you are working in any startup or any xyz business. So is one income source is good, and if the answer is no, how can you create your second income? And the third one is, which is important one, why we believe or why should we believe that second source of income is really important. So with this, let's talk about what exactly the word financial freedom is. Financial freedom doesn't mean that someone should have a lot of money or create a lot of wealth. That depends on a person to person. But the financial freedom means that someone should create that sort of wealth or the investment so that he can easily accommodate his short term and the long term expenses. When I'm saying short term expenses, which means the kind of living which we want right now, and the long term expenses, here I'm talking about the expenses which we need, or the money which we require to spend the another 30 or the 20 or whatsoever the age we have after our retirement, or after our whenever you decide that you want to get retired and have some spend some quality life after that. So with this, I think there are the four key thing which I would like to talk about, which I think play very very important role in the financial freedom. Number one, which is a thumb rule, is start early, start investing early. So it doesn't matter that if someone is investing 500 rupees or the 5 lakh or the 50 lakh, but from your monthly income you should invest something, and later on let the compound interest, that magic, play its own role. The second sub point of this point is your income minus saving should be your expense. In general, most of the people, including me, uh, it took time. So the how we work is our income minus expense is our saving. So if you look into the any of the the person who have created a lot of wealth, so they plan accordingly. So either you need to increase your income or you need to figure out or you need to tweak in between, but your saving should be your top priority, and then your expenses should be prioritized basis your need. The second is prepare for the life uncertainty. I think COVID had taught each one of us that uh, life is so, there's so much of uncertainty in this life we are sitting today. We cannot predict what will happen tomorrow and how the future will look like. So it's better to prepare yourself, prepare ourselves for the life uncertainty. If you are not insured, please go and get insured, get your insurance done, so that uh, in by chance you get into that kind of situation, your money from your saving account should not go for your insurance cover. Number third is becoming debt free. In this today's scenario, loans are easily available, and if and somehow it becomes a trap for many of the people if you are not planning yourself or your things accordingly and getting into. And within loan there are a lot of definitions. So there are loans against FD, there are loans against saving, there are loans against your salary account, and there are some personal loan. But I think personal loan is a biggest trap. The number fourth one is you know either you're a businessman or whatsoever the kind of business you're doing, always try to create your second source of income. In a simple word, don't put all the eggs in a single basket. So you should have second option. If the plan number A is not working, what is the plan number B? This is for the businessman. Numbers, and for the corporate world, or for the people like us or people like me, it's important that your amount lying in your saving account should generate money for you when you are sleeping. It's not my own statement. I have taken this jargon from Google, but I'm just sharing with you. Then again, if you want to create a second income, so what are the available sources?